How to turn on captions on TikTok. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now this only will work if the creator has enabled captions on his video. So what you need to do is go ahead and open up TikTok.
List of everything.
And then go to a video that the creator has turned captions for, and at the bottom left of the screen, on top of the creator's name, you can see an icon, a keyboard icon. So click on it, and as you can see, TikTok told you that captions are shown. So let us play the video and see what will happen.
And I like to break things down into as small pieces as possible. So, if something's very daunting, I like to break it down to super tiny tasks. One of those tasks could even be like,
yeah, so that's how you can turn on captions on TikTok. But remember that it only will work on some videos and not all of them. It depends on the video. So yeah, that was it for this video. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.